Yeah, this one smells and tastes pretty good. I like that one a lot. So, like, yo, I'm sorry.
They gon' try to put it down like, wow, it's been you and me since I mean.
Hey, what's up, guys? In today's video, y'all, I have a Lip Smackers review for y'all, and this is the Marvel Lip Smacker pack. You guys, I'm so excited to try these. It's been so long since I did a Lip Smacker review, and I feel so bad because somebody a while ago, they asked me if I could do a review on these, and I told them that that would be the next Lip Smacker video that I would do, and you see, I have it now, even though it took me like forever. And I'm sorry if you're still watching my videos. I'm so sorry it took me so long to get these. I actually got these on sale from Amazon. But yeah, y'all, I'm so excited to do these. Do a little bit of ASMR. Say nah. But in this pack we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 different flavors here. I'm gonna read all the flavors. Should I read all the flavors first? I'm just gonna read it from the back. Okay, we have Caramel Hammer, Super Soldier Punch, Empowering Mint, Sweet Berry Armor, Peach and Shrink, Superhero Punch, Sour Apple Smash, and Relentless Cherry. You guys. Okay, let's get this open so that I can start on this. You guys, I feel more prepared today than I've ever felt before with like a lip balm review. Do I want to tear it from the side? Okay. Oh well. Hopefully it opens right, because you know how sometimes packages don't be opening right. And to me, I look bright. Wow. Let me turn this down a little bit. Sorry. Okay. Let's open it up. Open it up. Open it up. Okay. Y'all, the background on this is pretty cool. Let's start from Thor. Yeah, let's start from Thor. Okay. Thor is Caramel Hammer flavor. Let's see. Let's look at the packaging. The characters on here are like chibi like. I call them chibi. I don't know what else the name is. I feel like I smelled something. Okay, this is the packaging. Gray with Thor on the front. Okay. This is what it looks like. It's like brown, caramely color. Okay, let's see. Oh, that's so like flavorful. My goodness, that smells so good. Caramel, basically just a caramel scent. Is my like lens dirty? I feel like my lens is dirty. Maybe I shouldn't use a paper towel. Does that look better? I don't know. Anyways, yeah, I really like that one. Caramely. Tastes pretty good too. Okay, the next one we have is Captain America, and the scent, the flavor Super Soldier Punch. Y'all, this one better smell and taste good. Okay. Ooh, I like the blue and the red. That's just like so, you know, cool, the colors. Okay, let's see. This smells like, it smells like punch, like candy almost. Like, I feel like I want to eat this. Oh wow. It kind of smells like Hawaiian Punch too. That's so good. That's so good, y'all. I was about to say that one's gonna be my favorite, but I don't even know. Okay. Next we have the Black Widow and the Empowering Mint. This is so pretty. I love this pink. That's so pretty, y'all. Oh, and it has green in the inside. It kind of smells like sweet minty, like sweet minty flavor. I actually really like this. I really like this. Normally I don't really go for like the minty ones, but this one is like a sweet mint. Yeah, I like that. And it's not like too minty like spearmint. It's nothing like that. I really like that one. Okay, next we have Sweet Berry Armor in Iron Man. Looks pretty cool. It's blue. Ew, what? Look at this, you guys. Why does it look like that? It's like scraped. But I'm like almost, what is this on my face? I'm like sure it's probably like a manufacturing thing, but it's like all scraped. Let me smell it. Yeah, it's not used. That smells so good. That smells so good. Sweet Berry Armor. Let me see. That's so good. I like how the color of his eyes is like the same color as the lip balm. That's so good, y'all. Wow. Now I feel like this one is going to be my favorite. I don't know. We gonna see. What's next? We have, oh, you guys, I really like Ant-Man. This is Ant-Man Peach and Shrink. What color of it is purple. I'm up here trying to do the next one. I didn't even wipe this one off. Okay. Peach and Shrink. Is it going to be like a peachy color? Oh, that's pretty. The scent is there. The flavor is there. It's just a little bit faint. The flavor is a little faint for me on this one, but you know, it's Ant-Man, so I'm gonna like it anyway. So yeah, that's probably like my least favorite, only because the scent is like faint. Next we have Spider-Man. I really like Spider-Man too. Superhero Punch. Wipe this off. Let me take it one thing at a time. Come on now. Superhero Punch. It looks just like this. Just regular red and like this faint red color. Ooh. That smells really... That kind of smells similar to the Captain America one. The Super Soldier Punch. But this one is more faint. Even though... Yeah, I feel like it's almost the same. Let me get another whiff of the Captain America one. Yeah, this one is just a little bit stronger. I feel like it's almost the same. Like, it kind of smells like Hawaiian Punch or like a regular Hawaiian Punch scent. Yeah, I really like that one. Okay, next we have is Sour Apple Smash with Hawk. Look at that little... I don't know why, that's just funny to me. Like, why are you stressed? Because he's mad. It's always mad. Oh, right as soon as I opened it, I smelled like green apple, like sour apple. Let me see. Oh, that's good. This smells like sour apple, like now later, like the green apple now later. Yeah, this one smells and tastes pretty good. I like that one a lot. It's like, yo, I'm sorry. Okay, so the next one we have is Nick Fury. The last one. and he is Relentless Cherry. Oh, I feel like this packaging. That's so cool. Like, I like the black, the white, and like the red lip balm. That's so cool. And it's like a deep red cherry. Okay. This one is like, it kind of makes my lips like red. Like, I like that a lot. I like that a lot, y'all. Color wise, I like this one the most because it actually puts like a tint on my lips and it looks really good. It's a little faint. I don't know why. This one smells and tastes a little faint, but you can still taste the cherry. So good. Okay, if I were to rank these, like what would be my favorite ones? I forget how the Iron Man one smell. The Sweet Berry Armor. Oh yeah, this one, I think this one is my favorite, the Iron Man. And I like the Captain America one. Spider-Man was cool because it reminded me, it was like the same as the Captain America one. Sour Apple Smash, that one was okay. But my favorites, I would say first the Iron Man one, and then Captain America, and then probably, yeah, Relentless Cherry, because I like how it makes the way it makes my lips look. And the flavor is good too. But yeah, if I were to rank them, my top 3 favorites out of them. And I really do like the Empowering Mint one too. But, kind of smells like cookies. Like mint cookies. But yeah, you guys. This is going to be the end of this, y'all. I hope you really enjoyed this. I really like making videos like this because I like to try different lip balms. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, all that. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Okay, bye.